Okay, this is Dad's plate. Everybody gets a different menu. Special wings with so much love out of my heart. Beef is clean, chicken is clean, and these are the dry ingredients I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna obviously use certain ones for the beef and the other ones for the chicken. I'll show you. Beef for the chicken. These are gonna be used for the beef. Just use whatever amount you can use or know how to use because I go off top. Sorry. So they're both seasoned. You're gonna mix. I'm gonna use different gloves to mix very well. I'm making 2 dishes. I have chicken wings, and my son is requesting the freaking, how do you call this? Chicken parmesan. So, my life. And then the wings, something I missed doing for a while. And then we have this. Let me change my glove. You're gonna mix all the ingredients very well, and then you're gonna cover for no less than an hour overnight. I'm doing an hour because I cooked a lot yesterday, so I wasn't doing all of this. Okay, and go in the first. These are the vegetables you need for the beef stew. That's my choice, but you put whatever you want. I don't like telling people what to put because you never know what people have or don't have. Just put some vegetables. I'm putting carrots, potatoes, green peppers, mini red peppers, mini other little peppers, and the onions. Wash them, clean them up, and we'll go to the next step. Some oil and sugar when it's like this. This is for my wings. So what I'm gonna do is brown them, and then I'm going to put them in the pressure button to pressure cook them for 10 minutes. This is one of my ways of doing my wings. I love it. They fall off the bone. So 1 minute on each side. Pretty high. Flip them. They're not burned, trust me. And now I'm going to add a tiny little bit of chicken broth. I'll be back. Now I'm gonna cover them for 10 minutes. Pressure cook. I added 2 eggs to the chicken, and I forgot a chicken wing. So I am going to just fry it. And this is what I'm gonna add to my flour. Oh, and a little bit of baking powder. Okay, we're gonna mix. I use gloves for everything. Mix very well. Once your oil is hot, have it right here. We're going to put this in the mixed flour. Very well coated. Very well. Oh, my chicken wings are done. Okay, so I'm gonna coat it very, very, very well. Pressure on it. Just add that flour in. I'm gonna do one at a time because I'm using a small pan. Okay, you're gonna take all that excess out, and then we're gonna fry. And I'll do probably like 2-3 minutes on each side. I'll see how it looks. My wings are done. Oh, let's see. I'm gonna take them out. Look how pretty. I'm not done. I'm just showing you a little step. Wings were pressure cooked and seared. I saved my gold juice for the next step. So the gold juice that was left over from the wings, I'm gonna put some garlic paste, some honey, butter, and roasted garlic herb. Yeah, put the ingredients and we're gonna mix very well. So the chicken is fried for the chicken parmesan. The only reason why I did 2 minutes on each side is because they're very thin slices. Then it's going in the oven. Now I'm gonna do some beef stew. I'm gonna sear my meat, give it some color, and then I'm gonna put it to pressure cook for 15 minutes because I'm gonna add the vegetables afterwards. I'm doing the pressure pot, so I'm gonna let it get some color and I'll be back. Get some water. Now that it's caught color, you see how beautiful? You add the water. And I will put the lid on for 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna add the gold juice to the wings. And I'm gonna put in the oven 400 for 15 minutes. Leftover chicken wing. I just added the leftover flour to the mixture and the sauce that the chicken was in. And I'm just gonna mix it in very well with the flour. Coño. And I'm gonna fry it for about 7 to 8 minutes. So now I'm going to assemble the chicken parmesan. I put some sauce on the bottom of the pan. And I'm gonna spread it. And I'm just gonna put them very nicely, place them in the pan. I'm gonna add some sauce on top of this is not homemade. It's a lot of food for me to cook, so I'm trying to do it the easiest way. I'm gonna add the cheese all over. Uncovered for 20 minutes about. I'll be checking on them, both the wings and the chicken parm. Uncovered in the oven 400, 15 minutes. Caliente aquí. Okay, so the meat is up. It's soft, but not as much as I wanted. This is why I only gave it 15 minutes. And I'm gonna add my potatoes, all of my vegetables. Once I add them all, give it a good mix. And you're gonna pressure cook it again for another 15 minutes. You know what? 10 minutes. Okay, so my veggies is mixed. I'm gonna cover for 10 minutes. So the 10 minutes are up. I'm gonna add now some tomato paste and I'm gonna saute for 3 minutes and let it rest for 5 covered. So chicken parm is done.
Father Times clock ticking on him. 37 years old, 19 years in the league, 31 titles with 3 combined teams, 2 in Miami, 1 with Cleveland, and the 2020 title in the bubble against Miami series. The Lakers won it 6.
Okay, this is Dad's plate. Everybody gets a different menu.
37, 38 minutes in his last 2 games. By the way, he has 9 points in the Lakers. Pick and roll, Denman rolls in for another score. Denman has
Special wings with so much love out of my heart. This is my big boy's plate. He didn't want no beef stew today. Mañana se lo harta. Olvídate. Look at that. Middle child's dinner. He doesn't want anything else. And he deserves it. Chicken parm, tuna macaroni salad, morito de guandules. Starting my plates, I'm gonna add some limoncito, sal, and garlic hot sauce, a little bit to my avocado and onions. And let's watch next. My fat-ass plate. I'm going to devour you. Look at that. So tender.